Today I'm looking at some cups here. This is a really nice quality. If you're looking for some plasticware, some plastic cups, these are really high quality cups. These are 24 ounces these hold. They're clear and disposable, easy to use. Use them for smoothies, use them for orange juice, use them for iced tea. Any beverage that you want, it'll hold it really, really well. So let me just show you what they look like. This is the cup right here. This is a nice quality cup, you can see, and they also come with lids. So this is a matching cup of cups with lids. They're X. Let me just pop this on for you to show you how this works. Just snap it right on, just like you see here. It has an X pattern. This is where you put your straw right here. You can see the quality. This holds 24 ounces, as you can see. Again, disposable, easy to use, fantastic quality cup made out of polyurethane. That's what it says here. So it's a nice quality, clear, crystal clear cup that'll keep your beverages nice and cold, and it snaps on super easy. As you can see, this is how they come. I just want to show you how they come. They come loose, so you get a bunch of lids, just like you see here, and you get a bunch of cups, just like you see here stacked. You can have them out in the party. You can just take them out. You can fill them up. I'm going to use them for my iced coffee every day. This is what I got these for, so I can just fill my own iced coffee, I make my own Starbucks coffee, and I just put them in here with the ice, fill it up, and just make nice quality iced coffee for a fraction of the cost. So this is the reason why I buy these, and they're good quality. They're not cheap at all. They're really made very, very well. Super easy to use. Again, I put the lid on. You just put it on and just snap it just like that. Definitely highly recommend these if you're looking for a cold beverage on a hot day or any day. Definitely, this is the way to go. Thanks for watching this quick review. Hope you enjoyed.